Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to download Amazon on your mobile device. Now let's begin. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply open up the Play Store if you're on the Android or the App Store if you're on your iPhone. I'm gonna open the Play Store right now. As you can see, I have successfully opened the Play Store. Now what I need to do is simply search for Amazon. At the top, here is a search box. Simply click on it and type Amazon. Once you've typed it, what you need to do is simply hit on enter. And right here, the option you see as Amazon Shopping is the application that we want to download. If you want more detailed information, you can click on the icon itself. And from here, you can get more information about the app, the data safety, and the reviews as well. But right now, we just want to install it. So let's hit on install right now. And as you can see, the application is being installed. The time might vary depending upon your internet speed. And guys, as you can see, the application has been successfully installed. I'm just gonna hit on open right now. And guys, this is it. This is how you install Amazon on your mobile device. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels it. Until next time, thank you.